Sailing on two boats is very difficult situation for anyone. But if it is about a student who has never ever experienced this situation, it is way difficult for them. As you can see it on the screen, and you need a mentor or an educator who can help you with that. Now you might be wondering that we can't see you, sir. Where are you? Don't worry, Siddhant sir is here only. We are there. IMS Get Set Law is here. But we know that you are right now in this situation because you have just entered 12th, and that psychological pressure, maybe from your peers, maybe from your seniors, or maybe from your parents, that how you are going to balance between your 12th board exams and your aspiration for yourself to get into a national law college after clearing the CLAT exam. And this is what your situation is. And for cracking that code, I am here to tell you guys that it is a situation which every single student faces who starts preparing from 11th. That time they are very casual, but next year the moment they are into their 12th, it becomes very difficult and they start feeling anxious. So guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of Get Set Law by MS. My name is Siddhant, and today we are going to solve this particular problem. But in this particular video, before telling you how to solve that problem, we need to first give a message to our brain कि exactly problem को how we'll tackle, because everyone gives a solution but no one prepares us, and that is what life is all about. No one has taught us, even in the school, and even to us also, even there's a gap by the from the parental end also, that how the life is going to come. And that is what I'm over here to tell you, that things will going to go up and down. It will be a bumpy ride, but I'll tell you. So before that, we should know that what all things can come in the next 6 to 7 months, which can be a speed breaker, which can be something which will derail my performance, and in that moment you might end up giving up for your preparation. But don't do that, because there is a solution in this video. Okay, and if you guys agree with me onto this, drop it in the comments, let me know, yes sir, I agree onto it. So first I'll tell you, or I would want you to know that some things are going to come up in the next 6 7 months. What it could be, where a lot many students go wrong because they don't think about these things. So balancing is easy, but consistency is something which a lot many student misses out. And they have mentors, but no one educate them कि you are going to face so many problems. So it's easy. But what all problems where you are going to go wrong is, this time, if you don't have a fixed routine. Now I'm not talking about get up at 5 o'clock. I'm not talking like your dad or your mother. Okay, I'm going to tell you that there is something which can be fixed, because you have limited time, limited hours in a day. Everyone has 24 hours only, but how you use it. So that is why if you don't have a fixed routine, this becomes a major problem for our journey. Okay, next is, we start very late for CLAT. So the question comes by student ki, sir, we are in the month of May, or we have just ended up April. Will I be able to cover up for the CLAT preparation? Everyone will say the answer is yes, because it is possible. But for a student who is not having a fixed routine, and he or she is someone who is very weak in reading, not very good in English, and they will going to come up and say, will I be able to crack CLAT from now on? The answer is again yes, because you need to frame everything systematically, properly. So you need to start it right now. Don't wait for maybe September or August or maybe October month, that time I'm going to start. Right now I will focus on my 12, because that is what is a made up pressure. Now what is made up pressure? It's something which people have been talking about, that you will going to miss it out. But I will bet on this particular thing is, it's very difficult to fail in 12th. Yes, this is true. This is truth. If you even push your limit, still you will pass in 12th. It's very easy. And to talk about for any law entrances, on an average, your eligibility is only 60% in 12th. Now, if you have to score only 60% and you are done with your CLAT exam, will you be able to make it up to National Law College? The answer is yes. But no one educates you, no one tells you. And you take up a burden of getting 90. Yeah, it's good to get 90. But you will never going to end up into a college with your 12%. Keep that in mind. So I'm not discouraging not to study. You have time post your CLAT, A-Late or SLAT, that is after December, you can focus onto that. So this is a message for all the parents as well. Please be with them. Even if it is your coaching institutes who's preparing, like your private tuitions, who's preparing you for your 12 subjects, maybe like commerce or humanities or science, they have to be with you. You have to tell it to your teachers about it. But since you don't know it, so you get into that trap and you focus on your pre-boards, you focus on your midterms, you focus on your tests. You focus, but don't be so eager that you miss out onto something very, very important. The next is you ignoring both. Now this you are not ignoring right now, but at the end is something which you ignore. That becomes a problem. That's where I was completely engaged in preparing for CLAT. I've not given any importance to my school preparation. That is also a wrong thing. That is why I was talking about balancing both. This is what was the image was. You have to balance both. And that is what is the ultimate message. The next issue is not writing the test right now. This is a very, very important thing. I just joined a batch and sir, I'm not able to cope up with the daily preparation and you are asking us to write the mock test. Is it actually advisable? The answer is yes. Why? Because right now it is not about getting marks. It's about your approach towards mocks. And if you don't have that approach towards the mocks, without writing it, how you will come to know about it? Without driving, you will learn how to drive, but until unless you will get into the vehicle, आपको पता कैसे चलेगा that how a vehicle needs to be driven, right? And the last one is your passive study. I'm just seeing, but I'm not learning. I'm just watching my books. I'm just seeing, opening the book, but I'm not learning. That's the biggest mistake. If you think that at that point of time, maybe in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon or at night, you're not able to study, don't study. That is what you have to frame things in your mind, that these are certain things which I am going to lack. Okay, so let's start with what could be the preparation and how I can focus onto it. So this is what your daily routine should include, and in the next slide itself I'm going to tell you how your study table, your go-to place every day is going to look like. So let's start with this first thing, that right now your daily system, what you do on daily basis, will going to become your rank for your upcoming entrances, maybe like CLAT or A-Late. So let's understand. So over here, I'm saying that during the morning time, so morning time could be 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, but before your school, if you get half an hour, 45 minutes of your time, you will be way fresh up in the morning time. You'll be able to do it. बहुत आसानी से कर लोगे सुबह सुबह, right? So you can focus on reading part, that is your newspaper or the editorial part. That's the easiest way. Now sir, at 5 o'clock in the morning or 4 o'clock in the morning, I don't have newspaper. It's okay, pick up a previous day newspaper. You're freshen up, you'll be able to do it. The second most important, you have your school hours. So you have to divide everything in a day. So you have 24 hours. How you will break it down? You have morning time, then from early morning, so before your morning, then from morning till mid of afternoon you have schools, then you come back, you relax, you eat, you rest, then you go to your tuitions, and then you have evening classes, then you have night time. Now this is something you have to break down everything systematically between these 5 things only. But what you can cut from here is not hanging out with your friends, not meeting your relatives, because they will always going to be there with you. Yeah, it's okay that in a span of 2 weeks you spend time going out with your family, watching movies, going to mall, playing cricket or anything. That is okay, you do it. But on daily basis, cut that down. That's very important. And if you're not doing it, it becomes a problem in the long run. So you think that what is my priority? My priority is reading. My priority is school. My priority is CLAT preparation and the classes. So this is what you have to break down. It's very easy to frame a plan. Okay. Now, if I get more than 5 comments, ki, sir, I need a detailed study plan for my preparation, I will going to come on a live session for you people and frame systematic plan for all of you. But if I get 5 or more comments, I need study plan for my preparation, then only it will happen, else it will not happen. Okay. So drop into the comments, let us know. Next is the afternoon time, your coaching and tuition for your board preparation. The evening time can be devoted towards your CLAT practice, where you can practice questions or attend the lectures, whatever has happened. During night time, you can focus on self-study, that whatever has happened in the school, 1 hour of your time can be easily devoted. So if you divide everything systematically, it will happen. But with that, don't give up your proper eating habits, not your bad eating habits. Don't give up on your exercises. Please focus on having some healthy habits. Eat healthy, drink healthy, and please focus on 15 to 20 minutes of your daily time. Now, it's very minimal, 15-20 minutes, but this is something which no one in their entire day is able to give up. 15 minute bhi koi nahi de pata khud ke liye. It's a challenge. It's an open challenge to you. Give it. If you are able to do it, then let us know. Okay. So focus on your proper sleep, focus on your exercise also. This is what your day should look like, but day should have your CLAT preparation, your school preparation, your coaching or tuitions, and your self-study. Don't mix your self-study with attending lectures. That is not what it is, because attending lecture will going to give you clarity. Your self-study, practicing questions will help you. Okay, so if you are able to devote a proper time in the entire day for like this, you will be able to see your study table be curated in this beautiful form. Ki yes, I will going to have my proper weekly schedule on my study table. My books are properly aligned. I am boosted, motivated with some stick notes. If you don't prepare your table like this and it's like, I'll just open up my bag, open the book. No, you're not studying, because that is a discipline which is within you. And if someone is systematically doing, he or she will going to have this type of a study table. Now, it may be the case that I don't have a laptop, I don't have this and that. It's okay. But beautify your surroundings, because that is going to boost you. And if you are able to make these things in a systematic manner, the way is very, very clear. You will definitely going to end up getting into your dream college. There is a ray of hope which is coming. You're walking down onto that path and it will be in your favor. So what needs to be done is your focus, your consistency, your discipline, and at the end you'll definitely going to have success. So because we have disregarded all these bad things from here, no social media, nothing, but on YouTube, please be there because we come. So don't miss out YouTube and Instagram. But besides that, miss out some junk food वगैरह कुछ नहीं खाना है. And if you guys have understood कि yes, this is something which we needed right now, now I'm gonna kill it. So guys, please share the video as much as possible. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you're liking the content, do hit the like button. Till then, Siddhant sir signing off. जल्दी वापस मिलेंगे. Thank you.